Andrews from Stoke-on-Trent, England.
Yesterday I made $589.31.
Or Tony Willis from Calgary, Canada.
Yesterday I made $565.47.
Or Tamara Stone from Las Vegas, USA.
Yesterday I made $518.22.
Or Mike Long from Manchester, England.
Yesterday I made $511.62.
Or even Trayvon Lewis from New Jersey, USA.
Yesterday I made $536.79.
And these are just a few of the people that took action and joined my program yesterday. They got off their asses, took action, and joined the program. And every single one of them has made over $500 since then. I'm taking on a limited number of students, and when all the places are full, we'll be taking down this page. A limited number of people, all with the opportunity to start making up to $500 a day starting now. And if you want to be one of them, you need to take action quickly because the places are filling up fast. Keep watching because in this short training video, I'm going to show you how you can live the dream and make a full-time automated income from the internet. And all by doing around 20 minutes of so-called work per day. In this training, I'm going to show you a real way to make it online. To quit the 9 to 5 and live the life of freedom and wealth you've always dreamed of. Imagine never having to hit that alarm in the morning and dread going to your dead-end job. Imagine paying off all your debts and being financially free for the rest of your life. Imagine having the freedom to do and buy whatever you want, whenever you want. Luxury world travel, boats, designer clothes, jewelry, the latest sports cars, mansions, you name it. Now stop imagining, because today I'm going to show you how you can turn those dreams into reality. No more 9 to 5, no more sitting in rush hour traffic, and no more taking abuse from an idiot boss. If you're seeing this video, then congratulations. It means my system is available in your country and there are still a few places open. But you'll need to take action very quickly if you want to join me. So listen very carefully for the next few minutes while I explain what you have to do to grab one of the last member slots. My students are making up to $500 a day with almost no work by using a single well-known website you probably use every day. A website that very few people know can make you incredible amounts of cash. This website is a secret cash machine, which has been hiding in plain view until now. It generates billions upon billions of dollars every year, and yet only a few people know the secret to tap into those profits and take their share. And that's the secret I'm going to share with you today. My students all have at least $500 already in their checking accounts since yesterday. That puts them on a fast-track runway to make up to $180,000 this year. And just so you're clear, they have no background in digital marketing or any special skills. They're just ordinary people like you who are now using this life-changing website to make up to an easy $500 a day.
eBay certainly has made me a millionaire.
We've done over $4.5 million US, which is amazing. It blew me away having, just to see that eBay alone has done that for us.
This could be you if you take action in the next few minutes. Imagine making up to $500 a day from just 17 minutes setup time, up to $500 in less than 24 hours from now. Imagine up to $500 every day for life in your checking account with only 17 minutes of setup time, a real 5 minutes from now. If you watch to the end of this short training video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that a reality. Normal people just like you are doing this already every day with zero prior experience, special skills or training, just by using this single powerful website. Now I know this isn't the millions of dollars that some of the fake gurus out there might be promising, saying that you can make thousands of dollars a day at the touch of a button. But just imagine what you could do with up to $180,000 a year. Imagine never having to work a 9 to 5 job again for the rest of your life. Imagine paying off your mortgage, credit card bills and any outstanding debts with just one stroke of your pen. And imagine still having enough money left over for some of the finer things in life like world travel, sports cars and designer luxury goods. So right about now, you must be wondering what the hell this website is that I've been talking about. Well, I'm talking about eBay. Did you know that eBay is the third biggest e-commerce store in the world and is continuing to grow? Did you know that eBay has 250 million active users at any given moment? And did you know it generates $20 billion in sales every single year? Yeah, You heard that right. That's $20 billion. That's 20 billion with a capital B. Every time someone logs into eBay and buys something, eBay gets paid. Well, now it's your turn to take your slice of that $20 billion pie. Your turn to start getting paid when all those billions of people buy stuff online. And your turn to tap into the billions of dollars that are circulating through eBay. Now I realize if you're watching this, then you're an intelligent person who knows about the fortunes that can be made from the internet. You may even have tried to make money from eBay before and failed. But that's not your fault. I failed too. Everybody finds it too overwhelming and complicated unless you have the right foolproof system to follow. And that's exactly what you have the chance to get your hands on today. A foolproof system which takes care of everything for you and guarantees your success. Welcome to Easy Bay Payday, a tried and tested secret system that allows absolutely anybody to make up to $500 a day from eBay. And the best part is you don't need paid advertising, SEO, a website, hosting or domain, physical products, startup capital. My system is stupid simple. Just log in and start using it right away. Then you'll be well on your way to making money like this. Up to $185,604.34. That's how much I've made in the past year